Welcome to TJK Kitchen. Today we are going to make a vegetable pocket, okay? So now what we start with is 2 1/3 flour and 1 cup of hot water. Okay, you need to rest the hot water for 5 minutes. Then you pour into the flour slowly. What I usually do is I save some water to make sure that you don't pour into too much water. Let it wet for 1 hour, okay? Okay, now we need to cut the Chinese cheese. No need to be too small, just cut it like this. Okay, you mix everything together here. Okay, with some dry little shrimp. Okay, now we need to fire the egg like this. Can you see it? Then you can turn off the fire and then let the egg cook them. Okay? You mix everything with the shrimp and then the egg. Okay, now here you put a little bit oyster sauce. Okay? Some sesame oil, a little bit salt, and a little bit pepper. Okay, then mix them together.
A few moments later.
Okay, after 1 hour, now you have your dough, and then you weight it. Like for mine is around 538 grams. Then you divide it into 12 pieces, which is around 44 to 45 grams each. Okay. Okay, you sprinkle some flour onto the countertop, and then you roll it. And then you fill in some vegetable in. I want half of your flour. And then you fold this up carefully. Okay? Like pocket, look. Okay, you close the side here. If you want to make it nice, okay, you can try to go this. Okay, then you can do the second one now. With the same procedure, I cover it up with another paste. The reason is I don't want to get it more dry. If the dough is too dry, you can't make it. Okay, now we have 12 pockets. Then we pan fry it. You pour some oil into the wok. Okay, let the oil is a bit hot now. Then we place it one by one here.